This is the beginning. We present to you Audit.AI, a tool designed for performing data analysis in a simple and organized manner without writing code. This tool generates and is compatible with Python. First, it is possible to load data files from various sources such as Excel, PDF, CSV, JSON, text, among others. Now we will load 3 Excel files: invoices, lines, and payments. Our goal is to relate these 3 tables and recalculate the total invoice amount from the product lines, as well as link them with the invoices that had payments. First, we open the 3 files. Then, we perform a group by on the lines table by the invoice number field, summing the amount field and obtaining the result in a new table. Next, we merge the invoices and lines tables. To do this, we select both tables in the left panel and click on Compatibility. The compatibility function allows us to identify the relationship between the fields of the 2 tables, guiding us to perform the merge. Then, we repeat the compatibility process by selecting the fields we want to use for the merge between lines/invoices and payments. Next, we create a field in the resulting table to obtain the difference between the total invoice amount and the amount, which is the sum obtained in the group by of lines. When creating a field, we can assign it a value resulting from the calculation of several fields and also set one or more conditions for the field to take different values depending on the result of various conditions. For text entries, both in the filter and the value of the new field, Audit.AI allows selecting table fields with suggestions. By typing a period after the field name, we can select functions applicable to the fields. Both fields will evaluate Python syntax, providing suggestions when typing field names. In this case, we create a new field called diff with the differences and a field important to mark as important the cases where the difference is greater than 100. In the upper right panel, we can apply various filtering operations. For example, we filter the records where the difference is greater than 100 and obtain these records in a new table using the extract function. Similarly, with the sample button and entering the sample size, we can obtain a new result table or sample. Finally, with the To Excel button, we can export the resulting tables to an Excel file to work outside the tool. By right-clicking on each table, we can visually display the table's history or the Python code corresponding to the table's history. Before concluding, we need to save the project. One of the functionalities of Audit.AI is the ability to automate the tasks performed. By clicking the Code button, we can see all the Python code generated for the project, and with the Run button, we can update the entire project again with a single click. This functionality is crucial for automating control processes. Finally, in the project folder, we can see the 3 project files, the .ai file, a data file, and a log file, which cannot be modified to ensure the integrity of the project. We can also see the Excel tables we exported in the .py file containing all the Python code of the project, which can be run again in any Python work environment. We save the project. Thank you very much.